Welcome to MBS Daylight for Sketchup tutorial for Spatial Daylight Autonomy analysis. In this model, we have a proposed scenario with two floors, ground and first. For the purposes of this tutorial, let's focus on the ground floor. Let's begin with registration process. Next, we are going to convert the model. Open the Convert dialog, then click the Convert button. Here, I am going to convert the model into GPU format. Make sure your system has a compatible graphics card installed to run calculations on the GPU. To run SDA calculation, we need to adjust the materials that are going to be used in calculation. Here we are going to map Sketchup materials with MBS materials. Once you have finished the mapping process, click on Apply button. Now, let's run the SDA calculation. To do this, open the Run dialog. Make sure you are in the BSEN 17037 Regulations tab. Select the SDA calculation and click Add to List. Adjust the rendering method according to your needs, then click the Run button. Bear in mind that you need the correct graphics card configuration to run the calculation on the GPU. Next, open the Filter dialog. Select SDA and click on Filter Result button. This will plot the results on model. These results are based on the target values set from Criteria option in the settings. At the same time, software produce tabular result in CSV or Excel format. SDA calculation can have a target set to either lux value or percentage of hours. This can be configured from the legend settings.